Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
Yeah!
I'm going to show you.
Okay, well, I'm not going to sit here and go over all my Christmas gifts with you, but I will say that I got some rags for the rag box. And you know, I was looking around for my glasses and I couldn't find them. Well, maybe if I'd look on my person, I just might find them somewhere, right? These. When I had these on, as I'm looking around, my glasses weren't anywhere. Let's do a mail call. You want to?
Here come Pappy. He kinda crappy.
All right, thanks for coming to the corner today. It is a corner call number 6. This is my first corner call for season 6. What a coincidence. I have 2 shout outs to do, and I have a t-shirt here that I got at my last corner call. So here I am. You send me your t-shirt, I will wear it on the corner calls. Can't beat that. Redneck Manufacturing, thank you so much. I love the t-shirt. And let's get started. My 21st sticker, these happen to be magnets. Magnets are every bit as good as stickers, if not better in some cases. Here it is, the Super Wrench Garage. I got 2 magnets. I'll put double-sided tape on one, get it up on the board. This was my 22nd sticker. Comes from all the way Sacramento, California. That's where it comes from, all the way from Sacramento, California to Bettendorf, Iowa. Wildman's. I have 2 stickers from Wildman's. There they are. Plus he sent me his card. Okay. And I'll put links to these in the description of my video down below, so check out the links for those. Meantime, I'll get these up on the board and give the secondary call outs to all the people that haven't given me stickers that are still commenting on my channel since the last call out. Wildman's Super Wrench Garage YouTube channel, tool reviews, garage projects, DIY, and more. Redneck Manufacturing. That's the t-shirt I have on. And Rusty Glove Box is a good supporter of the Pappy's Corner. And Steve and Connie, AZ 2011 and 21. Papa Texas, he's commented since the last corner call. Buzzsaw, he's commented since the last corner call. And so has Drive Shaft Drew. If you support Drew, he supports you. Good News Travelers supports Pappy's Corner. And Native Tears Garden and Outdoors supports Pappy's channel. Go over here. Missouri Old Timer. He's a big supporter. Been watching Pappy's channel for years. Old Brat Rider. He's a good supporter of my channel. And so is Scott Pearson Tools and More. Straight 6 fan. And the Shade Tree Fix-It Man. So there you go. A secondary shout out for my other supporters. Well, there it is. Corner call number 6. My first corner call for season 6. Thank you for supporting the channel. And remember, Do something nice for someone today. Love ya.